Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a new informative video. Let's start the video without wasting your time. Today my video topic is online earnings. How to earn halal money online and ways to make money. There are many ways to make money online, but as Muslim we always try to earn in a halal way. In this article we will discuss 10 of the most popular methods to make halal income working online. These include freelancing, e-commerce, dropshipping and more. Each had each has its own advantages and disadvantages, so choose the one that best suits you need. First is freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online. This is how you can earn halal money by giving services to the online world. You can work from home and set your own hours. There are many different types of freelancing jobs available, so you should be able to find one that suits your skill set. The downside of freelancing is that it can be unstable and you may not always have work. Things you need to start freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to earn halal income from home or anywhere if you have the opportunity and qualify. But before starting, know what resources are required for success. Computer or laptop with a stable internet connection, freelance platform, the right skills. Effective way to be successful in freelancing. Successful freelancing requires several skills, including the ability to market yourself effectively. You also need to be able to manage your time effectively and stay organized. Here are a few tips for becoming a successful freelancing. Start by bidding on lower priced project to build up your ratings. Be available, communicate effectively with clients, deliver quality work on time, be responsive to feedback. Second is e-commerce. E-commerce is another popular way to earn money online. You can create and sell your own products, or you can sell other people's product as an affiliate. E-commerce can be great way to make money if you are creative and good at marketing. However, it can be a lot of work to get started, and you may need to invest money in inventory. Things you need to start an e-commerce business. To start an e-commerce business, you will need a computer or laptop, a stable internet connection, e-commerce website, money to invest in inventory, money to advertise your business. Before start an e-commerce business, be sure to research the market and make sure there is a demand for the product. The risk involved in e-commerce can be significant. If you are not be careful, you can lose a lot of money. Here are a few things to keep in mind when starting an e-commerce business. Be sure research the market and make sure there is a demand for the products. Invest money in quality inventory. Advertise your business wisely. Choose a good e-commerce platform. Provide excellent customer services. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next informative video.